Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem, which is often asked in the interview questions of Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Google, and Netflix. So this is a very common problem and the level of this problem is medium. So let's understand this problem word break. So given a string S and a dictionary of strings word dict, okay, we return true if S can be segmented into a space separated sequence of one or more dictionary words. Okay. So it means that suppose S is lead code and in our word that we have lead code, then S can be formed with the words of this dictionary, right? So we will return true because lead code can be segmented as lead code. Second example, and there is one note also that the same word in a dictionary may be reused multiple times in the segmentation. Okay, cool. So it means that lead code, code, lead. If S is lead code, code, lead, then we will also return true. Now example two, apple, pen, apple. So yeah, apple, pen, apple can be formed by this list. Okay, so we'll return true. And then we have cats and dog. Word date is equals to cats, dog, sand, and cat. So if you see cats and dog, we cannot form this word. So we'll return false. Okay. So let's discuss about the strategy how we are going to solve. So we are going to solve this problem using a dynamic problem approach. Okay. So suppose if the string is empty, okay, then we, we will return true for every list here because empty list can be formed with any list. Okay, so it means that we can start from the end. So let's have a dp is equals to, let's initialize every value with false. Okay, for I length of s plus 1. Now dp at the end, which is length of s, we can make it true because empty string can be made with any list. Okay, so the length of lead code is 8. So at 8th position there is nothing, so it's true. We will make it as true. Now what we can do, we can iterate over this array from the end. For I in range length of s, we will start from the end. Okay, we will check if the substring can be formed with any word in the dictionary or not. Now we can iterate over the word dict. Okay, now we will check if I plus length of w should be less than equals to length of our string, and s of I colon I plus length of w should be equal to that word. Then in that case we will update our dynamic dp array, which is dpi is equals to dp of I plus length of w. Okay, now we can have, suppose we found if dp of I is true, then in that case, for that index, from that index the word can be formed, for example code. So I is equals to 4. Okay, from here the word can be formed. So it means that we can break it out, break our loop for this word dictionary. There is some indentation error. Let me fix the indentation. Okay. Now we have broken out. Now we can check if at the 0th index we have our string can be formed with the verdict with the words or not. So we can return dp0 whether it's true or not. So we don't need to compare. If dp0 is true, it means that we can form, otherwise we cannot form. So let's check. Yeah, so it is accepted. All test is passed. Submit. So you can see it is accepted. So yeah, so sorry. So the time complexity of this problem is order of n, which is length of string, into for word in one verdict, whatever the number of words. So n into m. So thank you. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.